on October 9th, 2018, there is going to be a complete and total recession of the stock market, the American economy, the Dow, the price of the dollar, gold, which you should always invest in, by the way. Hi, my name is Christos. If you're anything like me, I've got a green screen here, so hope my editors can have a ton of fun with that. Oh, I'm in Paris? Oh wow, that's insane, I didn't know that. I bet he's gonna put up Big Ben, just watch him, he's a funny cat. Anyways, I digress. I'm here today to tell you about the wondrous thing called the stock market. Now, what is the stock market? No, it's not a market where you can buy plenty of stock like poultry and swine. It's actually a place where a bunch of rich elites get together and they shout at each other and sell stuff and buy stuff. It's not actual stuff, but it's things representing more stuff. Now, for an example here, if I wanted to go ahead and invest in a company, let's say, can we use anything copyrighted? Alright, let's just say Company Y, okay? Their symbol on the stock exchange might be the letter Y. Now, we go ahead and I'd say, alright, I'm going to buy one share of your stock. Now, that one share could cost 50 cents. It could cost $50. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is I'm buying one share, and now I own part of company Y. And the thing here is you have to be careful you're investing in good companies, because if you invest in a bad company, you're not going to make any money. The point here is supporting this company as well as making lots of money. That's what the stock market's all about. So if I invest instead in company Z and they lose all their money in quarters 1, quarters 2, and quarter 3, and then quarter 4 they turn a tiny bit of a profit, guess what? I'm not going to invest in them again because they're a bad company. However, if I invested instead in company Y, like I said previously in that hypothetical, then, and let's say they had 4 quarters of nothing but growth, then I made a good call because they're making me lots of money by making them lots of cash. And you have to be careful too when investing, because like with that example for company Z, if they had 3 quarters of just non-bueno trading, what you want to do then is invest then when it starts to go back up. At least that's what people want you to think. Everybody says buy low and sell high, but because everyone's buying low and selling high, isn't it smarter instead to buy high and sell low? That's what I think, at least. It's lost me a lot of money so far, but one of these days, bam, I'm going to be the next Jeff Bezos. Now, the thing about it, if you don't know Jeff Bezos, by the way, he's a founder of Amazon.com, and I'm convinced he's the one secretly running the government. And if you're not really sure about the stock exchange and who runs it, you should be worried, because these are the people who are coming for you, they're coming for your families, and you can't trust them. Because guess what? They might be getting a few dollars into your wallet, but what are they taking out? They're taking out your Social Security, they're taking out your credit cards, they're taking out more money, they're taking out your Social Security, they're taking out your keys if you keep your keys in there. Guess what? They're going to come into your house, they're going to repossess it, they're going to steal all your stuff, they're going to steal your wife, steal your children, and you should be scared. Now, when you're investing, the one thing you want to make sure you do is don't put too much money into it. If I were to invest $100, then I must be able to accept losing that $100. It's a lot like gambling, except, no, it really is just a lot like gambling. And, you know, by putting that $100 in, I'm saying I trust this company enough to double this $100, to triple this $100, to quadruple it. So you want to make sure that the companies you invest in, such as Company Y, are good companies that you trust, and not like Company Z, who's just going to throw away your money, burn it, and probably, I don't know, kill people because they're horrible. You shouldn't invest in them. that's really all the advice I have for you today. Please take it all with a grain of salt because, as we know, the people running the stock market are greedy, they're evil, they're greedy, let's just say that again. And, you know, it's not really fair to go ahead and just let them take all of your money and all of your profit and all of your money, because guess what? You're the ones who are working hard by sitting at your computer trading stocks all day, not the people actually out there working. It's stupid. So that's all I have for you today. Yours and forever, Christos. There's something I completely forgot to mention. My editor here, God bless him, reminded me. On October 9th, 2018, there is going to be a complete and total recession of the stock market, the American economy, the Dow, the price of the dollar, gold, which you should always invest in, by the way. Never goes wrong. But you need to watch your wallets. You need to mind your spending. On October 9th of this year, it's all coming down. So make sure you sell, and sell on October 9th, because you don't want to lose any more money.